Okay, today we're going to make a PDF with bleeds from an InDesign document. And what the bleed is, it's a term that refers to graphics or design elements that extend beyond the trim edge of the design piece. Now, with the bleed, it ensures that no unprinted edges will occur in the final trimming of your document. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some bleed to this document. So, we'll go under File, Document Setup. And down here, we're going to add 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. And if you select the lock, it'll populate all 4 boxes, giving you bleed all the way around. Now, if you don't see that, you may see something like this. So go ahead and just check the more options. That'll open up that bottom part of the dialog box. Okay, now we got a red rule. Now that's our 1/8 inch bleed area. So now we need to pull out our design elements out into that bleed. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out this yellow. And you don't have to set it exactly because it's going to get trimmed when the PDF is made. So pull out the other side, so get it on all 4 sides. Then the graphic, we'll pull that out like so. Okay, now we can preview this. Come down here and click and hold. We've got preview option, and that basically is going to show us what our finished piece looks like. And then you can also check what the bleed is going to look like, and that's basically what our PDF is going to look like with the 1/8 inch bleed on it. Go ahead and get that back to normal. Okay, we are ready to make our PDF. So go up under File and to Export. And we'll want to make sure that it says Adobe PDF Print and not one of the other options. And save that. And then up under the preset, we want to select Press Quality. And compatibility, we want to select the newest version, which is Acrobat 8.9. And here we have options for pages. You can print all the pages or just certain pages. And then down here, optimize for fast web view. We don't need that, so we can uncheck that. And I like to check this view PDF after exporting. That way it'll open up in your PDF viewer and you can make sure everything is right. Coming down to marks and bleeds, we'll need to add crop marks and bleed marks. The others are optional. I like to click the registration marks and the page info. And down here, bleed and slug. Now, if you leave it as is, your PDF will have no bleed on it. So you want to make sure you check that box. So it's taking the info that we supplied in the document, which is the 1/8 inch. So we are set to go. Now we're ready to export. And here's our completed PDF. We've got the registration, the targets here, and we've got the 2 sets of crop marks. We've got the bleed and the trim. And then the document file is basically the file name. That'll show up on there also. And you're ready to go. Now you can upload it to our website, centennialprinting.com. We've got an upload link there, and we're ready to go. So thank you.